Joe Beermaster, we have an '04 Ford Escape. Showing you another Ford Tough
Built
truck.
Ford Tough.
'04 Ford Escape. And we're going to take a look at this frame.
Built Ford Tough.
Frame rotted out. Look at this mess.
You just want to leave it right there rather than on top of it, right?
I'm going to put a plate
04.
everywhere.
And he said it's
Well cracked. Stress cracks. Stress cracks. Stress cracks. Rust. Stress cracks.
I don't know if this is typical.
This is the inside of your car.
Wow, that's amazing.
Built Ford Tough. Built Ford Tough. Piece of
Side apart.
shock perch. Yeah, that's what's holding your car up. That's the shock. You wonder why it makes noise. Built Ford Tough. Built Ford Tough. That's your shock.
Ford Escape. This is the same as the Mercury Mariner as well. It's all welded in there and undercoated now.
Shock is stabilized.
It should last a long time, but the transmission might not last that long in these.